Introduction to social media automation.
Automating social media posts saves time and ensures consistent online presence. Tools like Buffer help individuals and businesses plan, schedule, and manage content across multiple networks. Instead of posting manually every time, users can prepare posts in advance and let the tool handle delivery. This streamlines workflows, improves organization, and helps maintain engagement with audiences, even outside of regular working hours.
How scheduling works.
Scheduling is at the heart of social media automation. Users select the date and time they want each post to go live. They can plan days, weeks, or even months ahead. Buffer's interface allows users to add posts to a queue for each social account. The platform then automatically publishes each post at the scheduled time, following the user's plan.
Connecting multiple platforms.
Buffer and similar tools connect to various social media networks like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Once accounts are linked, users can create one post and select which platforms to publish to. Customization options let users adjust text or images for each network if needed, ensuring the content fits each platform's unique style and requirements.
Team collaboration and workflow.
Team features allow multiple people to manage social media from one place. Members can review, approve, or edit posts before they're published. Assigning roles and permissions helps control who can create or approve content. This is particularly helpful for businesses where oversight and collaboration are important for brand consistency.
Analytics and optimization.
Analytics tools help users track the performance of their posts. Buffer provides data like engagement rates, reach, and audience growth. Reviewing this information enables users to adjust their content strategy, posting times, and topics for better results. Regular analysis ensures social media efforts are effective and relevant to the audience.
Benefits and takeaway.
Automating social media with tools like Buffer maximizes efficiency, consistency, and reach. It helps users save time, collaborate smoothly, and improve their strategy with real-time insights. Whether for individuals or businesses, these platforms simplify the process of sharing content and maintaining a strong online presence.